Today we are going to learn symmetric circuits in physics. It is a special type of a circuit where we cannot see here. Example, Tarun, is there any other techniques which we have learned are applicable here? Series parallel तो नहीं होगा. Naming points and Kirchhoff's law वो कर सकते हैं. Kirchhoff's law is available, but to simplify, here something symmetry is there, so we have to look after that symmetry, and that symmetry makes us to help this to solve this circuit easily. So first in symmetric circuit there is a steps. First step is whether symmetry is along A and B, मतलब बैटरी कनेक्टेड होता है ना, इधर along A and B मतलब horizontal to A and B है, या फिर perpendicular to A and B है, या फिर diagonal to A and B. First we have to see that. So in this circuit symmetry is along
A and B.
So perpendicular ऐसा कट करेंगे तो इधर 2 इधर 4 होगा, so it's not there. Diagonally तो नहीं होगा, so it is along A and B. You can see 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 4, 4. If you fold this, the same circuit is there. So this is along A and B. Symmetry is along A and B. Symmetry is along AB. So in this first symmetry is along AB. For this the technique is naming points. नेमिंग पॉइंट्स करते हैं, बट ऐसा नहीं कि ए सी हो ए डी नहीं. इट इज सिमेट्री, सो वी विल सी द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम ए. फॉर दिस इफ वी गो टू दिस पॉइंट, टेक इट एज सी. फ्रॉम ए इफ वी कम हियर 2 ohm resistor is there. From B if we come 2 ohm, 8 ohm, 4 ohm, so here 3 resistors are there. Here 1 resistor is there, here 3 resistors are there. So this point will make it as C. See the similar point here. Anything similar point is there in the circuit where A से एक resistor जाने पे या फिर B से 3 resistor जाने पे वही आएगा, देखेंगे. इधर क्या है, A से जाएंगे तो इधर भी 2 ohm का है और एक resistor. इधर 2 ohm, 8 ohm, 4 ohm, 3 resistor. So this point will be also known as C. Come to next point. If we take here from A 2 ohm, 4 ohm, 2 resistors, so let's name it point as B. From B to 2 and 8 ohm. Opposite to this, our point is there where from A also 2 and 4 ohm, 2 resistors. From B also 2 and 8 ohm, 2 resistors. So this point is also known as D point. Otherwise you can see as a reflection also, but in other circuits reflection doesn't work, so you have to see the path. You have to get 2 of the same value resistor. Here also you have to get same value of the resistors. Here, from here, either this point and this point are same? No, because it is here. If we name it as E, from B it will be 2 ohm, but from A it will be 3 resistors of 2 ohm, 4 ohm and 8 ohm. But in C point it was from A where 2 ohm resistor is there, but from B it is 2 ohm, 8 ohm, 4 ohm, 3 resistor there. These 2 points are not equal. Path from A and B should be equal, then only the point will be same. So here 2 ohm का एक है, इधर 3 resistor, same. ऊपर वाला point ही E बनता है. So this we have named. Now again 2 points are left, middle one. So from A कितना, 1 2 आएंगे तो B को 1 2 3 4. From A it will be 2, from B it will be 4. So it is new point. Let's name it as F. Here from B it will be 2, from A it will be 1 4 1 2 3 4. Here also 4. So it will be other point known as G. It's correct, no? From here 2 resistors are there. From B 1, 2, 3. Here from A 1, 2, 3. From B 1, 2. So 2, 3. So these are other points. Now we know naming points. If 2 resistors are between the same points, then those are in parallel. So we can apply parallel rule. So let's redraw this circuit and apply parallel concept, parallel circuit solving concept. Let's redraw the circuit. So first we will make 2 points A and B. So AC in parallel becomes 1 ohm. Here same B, E, which are near to B, write it near to B for looking like सर्किट को ऐसा बनाना कि तुमको पता चले या फिर ये सीरीज में आएगा या पैरेलल में आएगा, ऐसा ही मत बनाओ. The one which is near, put it in near, one which is in middle, put it in middle. So this is E point के लिए भी 1 ohm. So next comes D point which is in middle. C और D. C और D में कितना है? 4 ohm, 4 ohm and parallel becomes 2 ohm. D and E. कितना बनेगा तरुण? D and E. 8 ohm, 8 ohm and parallel makes 4 ohm. Next F point. So in F point there are 2. Let's make F point here. One ohm. F and D के बीच में 1 ohm. Next E और G. श्रीलक्ष्मी E और G कितना बनेगा?
E और
G
2 ohm.
B और G भी 2 ohm. Now we one thing, see how many resistors are there and go on ticking how much you had done. So 2 ohm का हुआ, A CF का हुआ, CD का भी हुआ, DF का भी हुआ, then DG का भी हुआ, DE का भी हुआ, इसका भी हुआ, इसका भी. So all this has been done. Now see whether you get either Wheatstone, infinite, series parallel, whatever you are able to see. Then make a battery between, then solve the circuit. So we are able to see these are in series which makes 2 ohm. And these are in series which make 4 ohm. So this is parallel to this which makes 1 ohm. This is parallel with this which makes 2 ohm. So 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 1 ohm. These are in series. So final R equivalent is So the symmetry is along perpendicular to AB. So you can see R1, R2, R1. So the symmetry is along. Symmetry is not along AB. It is symmetry is perpendicular to AB. So in this case, what we will do is we will apply junction law. Junction law. So here current we will make it to flow and we will junction को तोड़ेंगे. करंट को फ्लो होते हुए करंट फ्लो होने के बाद जंक्शन को तोड़ेंगे. So see current and break the junction. Okay. Now how? From here, think I current is moving. Here it comes I2 मानेंगे. Here it goes I1 मानेंगे. Okay. And same thing. By symmetry, if I1 goes here means I1 comes here. So I1 इधर से आएगा. So from symmetry I2 from here it comes means from here also. If you connect a battery, here I1 करंट निकला तो इधर I1 इधर I करंट निकला तो इधर I करंट आना चाहिए. So from symmetry इधर I1 गया तो इधर I1 वापस आएगा. इधर I2 गया तो इधर I2 वापस आएगा. और मिलके बनाएंगे I. So here another one here. I1 आगे जाकर इधर स्प्लिट होके I3 बनाएगा. I4 बनाएगा. For I1 किससे स्प्लिट होगा? I3 और I4 में. इधर तो I1 वापस आ रहा है, मतलब इधर I4 आना चाहिए और इधर I3 आना चाहिए. इधर तो I3 आएगा, इधर I4 आएगा. दोनों मिलाकर I1 बनाएंगे. इधर I1 I2 मिलाकर I बनाएंगे. This is from you have made the circuit now. You will be observing here a point D. Take it as a D. Is there any current flowing here? No. So just we can break that. There is no usage of this. Even though if it is like this, then also circuit will be there. Then also the same current will be there. So there is no matter of this junction. So we will break that junction and the final circuit will be like this. So now you are able to observe that these two are in series. So series 2R which is in parallel, which it becomes 2R and R parallel. 2R by 3. This R1, R2, 2R by 3. R1 plus R1 plus 2R by 3. R1 and R1 are in series. It will make 2R, which is in series with this, which is whole in parallel with 2R2. So while solving, this is R. So you can solve and the answer will come. मैथ्स तो आता ही. सॉल्व करेंगे, 2 कॉमन लेंगे, कैंसिल करेंगे, R इक्विवेलेंट आएगा. So this is one time. First one we learned that symmetry was along A and B and we did naming points. Second was symmetry was perpendicular to A and B. We did junction तोड़ने का और करंट देखने का और स्प्लिट करने का. So then next we will see the cuboid. In cuboid क्यूबॉइड का मतलब ऐसा लाइन नहीं है. These are resistors. One wire is a resistor. Here you can see symmetry is not along A and B also. It is not perpendicular to A and B. So we will do the simply what naming points. If nothing is there, मतलब symmetry is also not there and symmetry along AB is also not there. Symmetry along perpendicular to AB is also not there. Simply we will do naming points. उससे थोड़ा हमारा सर्किट सिंप्लीफाई हो जाएगा. बाद में व्हीटस्टोन या फिर कुछ सीरीज पैरेलल दिखेंगे और उसको सॉल्व करेंगे. So in this we will do naming. रजिस्टर बनाएंगे थोड़ा अच्छा सा दिखेगा. Okay. This is the point. Let's take a point randomly. We will go and we will take a point here. See. A से एक, B से भी एक. This is C. Is there any point like this?
Yes.
Yes. Here one point is there. Which is C. Okay. Is there any one point?
No.
Okay. Let's take another one point such that let's take B. One from A and 1, 2, 3. Three from B. So this is B. Another one point is there.
नहीं.
It's not. So let's take another one point. That is E. A से तो दो. 1, 2. B से भी 1, 2, 2.
No.
Another one is there.
हाँ. 1 2. ಹಾಂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನೀನ ಈಚೆ ಕಡೆ ಸೈಡ್. ಹಾಂ ಅದ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ.
Yes. From A 1, 2. From B 1, 2.
2.
Okay. So this point is remaining. Let's name it as F. So from B1, from A 1, 2, 3. Here also. From
ನಿಂದ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರಬರ ಐತ್ಲ.
So let's redraw the circuit and see which are common points. A or C. C is in center. same, R only. So R and parallel makes
R by 2.
R by 2. B or C. B or C maybe दो resistor है in parallel, it makes R by 2. Okay. Then and the point is near to A. D is near to A. Let's make here D. So D तो एक ही point है. So it is R. Then D or E. Let's make a point E. So DE in parallel makes R by 2. BE, we have a resistor R. Okay. Then CD, we have R. This is the circle. We will draw a metal. Pause.
ಅಳಿಸೋದನ್ನ
So once again we will redraw as I have left point F. So that's why we have to pick the one which has been completed. So first we'll go from AC. So AC का कुछ है pick कर दो. This is R by 2. Then from B we have a point E here, which is R by 2. So I'll pick that also. And R by 2.
ಹಾಂ ಆರ್ ಬೈ 2 ನೀ ಬಿ ಸಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿಯಲ್ಲ
Wait. Sorry. A. C is in middle. So C is in middle. So we'll get here R by 2, here R by 2. Okay. Now A say D. So we'll take A say D. From B to F. So we'll take B to F. A तो कुछ सीरीज पैरेलल नहीं है, इंडिपेंडेंट पॉइंट्स है R. From D, a point is there that is 2 DE. So you take a point here. So DE 2 है R by 2. EF भी 2 है. So it is R by
2
and
CE CE
CE. So it is 2. This is
R by 2
R by 2. Now we'll connect the battery for clearance and we'll see. Is there anything visible?
Wisdom
Gridstone. So this makes 3R by 2. Sorry, 2R.
3R by 2
This makes This and this is series 3r by 2, 3r by 2, 3r, 3r and r are parallel. R equivalent is 3r by
4.
So we have learned this along A and B, perpendicular to A and B, and this is a cube which is most commonly asked. So these are the two techniques. मतलब इधर तो कुछ सिमेट्री नहीं था, नेमिंग पॉइंट्स यूज किए, इधर जंक्शन ब्रेक करके see the current, and that side we have used naming points. So these any type of question comes, we have to use only these methods. So thank you.